Hi, let's talk about foundation. In particular, let's talk about Dior's foundation. I decided I wanted to see what all the hype was about Dior's foundation, so I went to Sephora, ostensibly to just buy Dior's foundation, but I bought a couple of other Dior things, so I have some other things to try out today as well. So let's jump into the video about all things Dior today and see where that gets us, shall we? Okay, here we go. So I have put my hair up I'm going to put my makeup on clip, and let's go through all the products because I've got something more than just the foundation to try today. So as I said, I was in Sephora and I ended up getting a whole Dior makeover because the Dior person was there, and they walked me out the door with this very fancy schmancy box. Thank you very much. Meanwhile, inside, they did give me a little bonus Dior case. I mean, I guess if you're going to drop $300, you can get a little case. So I got a little case. I love a little. I can't have enough of these little makeup bags, so I have that. So here's what I picked up. I went for the foundation, so I did get the Dior Forever Foundation, and my color is 2N. I spent a good amount of time in the store trying to match my shade, and I think this one is a good one. So 2N on the Dior Forever Foundation. I also got sucked into Dream Skin. So we're going to try Dream Skin today as well and see how that works. And this one needs to be used for about a month, so I'm going to come back in a month and tell you how much I like it after using it every day. But we have the Dream Skin as well. And then just to complement the makeup, I've also got the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer in Rosewood, which I've actually used a couple times and I do really like it. So let's get this all to start. I've already washed my face. I've applied some vitamin C, some peptides, and I'm a little confused about this Dream Skin, the application of it, I'm not gonna lie. It says on the box, amongst many other things, that it says apply every day alone or as the last step in your skincare routine. So my last step in my skincare routine is actually my sunscreen. So I'm going to actually continue to do the sunscreen last, but for right now, let's, here's the bottle. I should have shown you this earlier. Here's the Dior Skincare Care and Perfect. So let's go and apply this. I'm going to take off my glasses. I'm going to use my fingertips here. And I'm thinking a little dab will do ya. Watch out for the nose jewelry. That could be a whole video unto itself. So this was a pump. I put on what came out seems like a full pump. So we're just gonna go with that today. Now in the store, I'll carry it down a little to my neck. She did say that this would have an immediate effect on the redness. I do get a bit of rosacea, so we shall see. Anyway, there is Dream Skin, and then I'm going to follow it up with some sunscreen. I will apply this. I use the Isdin Photo Protector. I've been using this for about a year now. I found it in Europe. I absolutely love this stuff. It is an SPF 50 with a PA++++. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this, and then I'm going to come back in about 15 minutes or so once my sunscreen has set, and we'll go ahead and apply the foundation. Okay, so I will see you back here in about 15 minutes. So welcome back. It's been about 20 minutes. My sunscreen has settled and dried, so I've gone ahead and done my eyes. And so now let's proceed with the rest of the Dior foundation. So if you're just joining, we are doing a bit of a critique, if you will, on the Dream Skin from Dior as a skincare product, and then we're also trying out the Dior Forever Foundation. Again, my color is 2N. So let's go ahead and proceed with the foundation, shall we? In the meantime, if you like the content that you're seeing, please do like and subscribe. Hopefully we'll be putting up more emails, listen to me. We'll be putting up more videos on the regular and of all kinds of different content, right? Because that's what Me, Me, and More is about. It's just about women and all the things that we're dealing with, makeup and travel and retirement and menopause and all that great stuff. So, okay, without further ado, let's get on with the foundation. So we've got the Forever Foundation. Again, I've done my my eyes and I did my concealer. So I am going to put this on with a brush today. So I'm going to do, I think one pump. We will start with that, and let me just go ahead and apply that. We've got a little bit left on the hand that we can go back to. So far, so good. Much like the Dream Skin, the product does have a bit of a scent to it, but it's not overpowering because I am extremely sensitive to scents, but this one doesn't seem so bad. I'm gonna pull this down my neck. So it goes on nicely. It feels good. A little sticky right now, but of course that's just because it's just on. So the only thing I would say, you know, I have short hair, so I also like to kind of go up into my ears a little bit. The only thing I would have to say is I feel like I'm still a little red from my rosacea in my cheeks, so I'm going to do another like little quarter of a pump, and I'm actually just gonna sort of apply that with my finger first and then sort of blot it through. Yeah, liking it. I mean, it might be a little pale, I don't know. I have such a hard time color matching, but there you go. So that's it. So now let us finish it off with, I have a little, it's actually Bare Minerals, Mineral Veil, which, okay, I just spilled it all over. These things are real, people. These videos are real. All right, tap it out. Let's do a little bit of setting powder here. Not too much. It feels good. And then let's finish it off with a bit of contour. You know, now these aren't all Dior products, let me just say that, but we're kind of focusing on the Dior. Just doing my little Mimi thing here. Right, wrong, or indifferent. And a little blush up here on the sides. Yeah, there we go. Let's take the hair down, give it a little zhuzh. And last but not least, let us not forget the Dior gloss. This thing does tingle when you put it on, I'm not gonna lie. It's a good color, I think, yeah. Rosewood. All right, so that's it. That is the Dior Dream Skin. Put the lid back on. The Forever Foundation and the Lip Maximizer gloss. So we're gonna wear this all day. I'm gonna come back in about 8 hours. I'm gonna let you know how the foundation has settled. And then I'm also gonna continue to use the Dream Skin for the next month, and we'll see if it overall makes a difference to my skin look. So thanks for joining me. I hope you'll come back again. Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, again, please like and subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere that you can press. And yeah, have a great rest of your day. Thanks. Bye-bye. Hey, welcome back to the channel. So it's been about 8 hours since I first applied the Dior products. And again, just for reference, I had used the Dream Skin, which is a skincare product. And then I also used the Forever Foundation. So I will pull in a little bit, take my glasses off so we can see. So I have to say that I am really liking this. Or the combination of the two. Maybe I should probably try one without the other. But I do like the way everything has stayed on my face, the way the foundation stays on the face. I am a big face toucher during the day, so I know some of it, like on my chin, it does tend to wear off because it's a bad habit, but I do touch my face a lot. But by and large, I feel like, if you look at the forehead, I don't know, I like the wear on it, and I think I like the way it makes my skin look. I like the way it makes my skin look. So, so far so good on both the products. Again, I'm going to try the skincare product, the Dream Skin. I'm going to try for a month and see if it really ultimately makes a bigger difference in my face, especially the rosacea that I have here and here. And I'll get back to you then. But in the meantime, I'm liking what I'm seeing for day one. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon. If you've liked what you've seen here, stay tuned to another video. Try this one where I talk about what it's like to become a blonde and how long that takes.